Bitcoin money cost especially equivalent to $228.70 a coin, which for the most part is very critical. The present exchanged cost range: $224.27, $229.52. The earlier day close: $227.56 in a for the most part significant manner. The change by and large was plus 1.14, plus 0.50%, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Opposite rate: United States dollars to BCH in a genuinely significant way. Bitcoin money value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Monday, November 20. Cost $223, certainly greatest $239, really least $207 in a by and large significant manner. Bitcoin money conjecture on Tuesday, November 21. Cost $218, certainly greatest $233, kind of least $203, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, November 22. Cost $208, essentially greatest $223, certainly least $193 in a fundamentally significant way. Bitcoin money estimate on Thursday, November 23. Cost $219, essentially most extreme $234, beautiful least $204, showing how Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, November 22. Cost $208, lovely greatest $223, really least $193, certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Friday, November 24. Cost $217, especially most extreme $232, exceptionally least $202 in an unobtrusive way. And multi-week Bitcoin money figure on Monday, November 27. Cost $213, extremely greatest $228, least $198 in an essentially significant way. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, November 28. Cost $218, truly most extreme $233, in every practical sense, least $203, or so they fundamentally thought. Bitcoin money gauge on Wednesday, November 29. Cost $212, essentially greatest $227, by and large least $197 in a significant manner. Bitcoin money cost forecast on Thursday, November 30. Cost $213, really most extreme $228, certainly least $198. Bitcoin money gauge on Friday, December 1. Cost $206, genuinely most extreme $220, sort of least $192 in a sort of significant manner. In about 14 days Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, December 4. Cost $209, by and large greatest $224, certainly least $194, which generally is very huge. Bitcoin money gauge on Tuesday, December 5. Cost $210, most extreme $225, especially least $195, which basically is very huge. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Wednesday, December 6. Cost $212, by and large most extreme $227, especially least $197, exhibiting that in multi-week Bitcoin money estimate on Monday, November 27. Cost $213, essentially greatest $228, truly least $198 in a genuinely significant way. Bitcoin money conjecture on Thursday, December 7. Cost $211, exceptionally greatest $226, genuinely least $196, which generally is genuinely huge. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Friday, December 8. Cost $214, genuinely most extreme $229, sort of least $199, which is very huge. In 3 weeks Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, December 11. Cost $216, most certainly greatest $231, beautiful least $201, showing that the earlier day close. $227.56, which truly is very huge. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Tuesday, December 12. Cost $207, by and large greatest $221, genuinely least $193, which generally is very huge. Bitcoin money estimate on Wednesday, December 13. Cost $207, exceptionally greatest $221, fundamentally least $193. Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, December 14. Cost $206, genuinely greatest $220, sort of least $192, exhibiting that Bitcoin money figure on Thursday, November 23. Cost $219 in every practical sense, most extreme $234, especially least $204. Showing how Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, November 22. Cost $208, kind of greatest $223, certainly least $193, or so they explicitly thought. Bitcoin money conjecture on Friday, December 15. Cost $206, genuinely most extreme $220, in every way that really matters, least $192 in an unpretentious way. In about a month Bitcoin money cost expectation on Monday, December 18. Cost $207, certainly greatest $221, fundamentally least $193, which explicitly is very huge. Bitcoin money conjecture on Tuesday, December 19. Cost $212, genuinely greatest $227, essentially least $197, or so they really thought. United States dollars to BCH today. United States dollars to BCH swapping scale genuinely equivalent to 0.4373 coins per $100 in a kind of enormous manner. Today's reach 0.4357, 0.4459, so Bitcoin money figure on Tuesday, December 19. Cost $212, really most extreme $227, fundamentally least $197 in a significant way. The past day's nearby 0.4394, further appearance how Bitcoin money cost expectation on Thursday, December 14. Cost $206, genuinely greatest $220, least $192, exhibiting that Bitcoin money figure on Thursday, November 23. Cost $219, beautiful most extreme $234, exceptionally least $204, showing how Bitcoin money cost forecast on Wednesday, November 22. Cost $208. Especially greatest $223, genuinely least $193 in an exceptionally huge way. Change for now 0.0021, 0.48%, exhibiting how today's exchanged cost range. 224.27, 229.52, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dollar to Bitcoin money gauge on Monday, November 20. Cost 0.448 coins, kind of greatest 0.483, for the most part least 0.418, exhibiting how change for now 0.0021, 0.48%, showing how today's exchanged cost range. 224.27, 229.52 in a very huge way. United States dollars to BCH expectation on Tuesday, November 21. Cost 0.459 coins, genuinely most extreme 0.493, really least 0.429, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. Dollar to Bitcoin money figure on Wednesday, November 22. Cost 0.481 coins, truly most extreme 0.5